How to remote play on Steam. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can remote play on Steam. So if you're also wondering on how you can do that, you can follow up this method and you should be able to remote play on Steam. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, you need to open up your Steam. You can open up your Steam in your device, and once you're here and logged in, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So go ahead and tap on Steam at the top left corner, and this will open up, and go to the settings, and your settings will open up on your screen. And once it opens up, you will be finding this interface. So here, look out for remote play, which is on the second last option. And under this section, make sure you have enabled this remote play. Just go ahead and turn it on if it is turned off. And then that is it. Here you'll be finding different kind of options available, like you can pair up your Steam Link. You can also unpair devices from here and also set up a pin if you want. And also we have this allow direct connection. Also you can go ahead and select automatic or different options, set up a setting for there, and enable automatic host options as well if you want. And when you enable it, you will be finding different options like play audio on host as well. You can go ahead and enable, look up for the options available here, and if you found it helpful or if you want that options, you can just go ahead and enable it. Other than that, we also have enable advanced client options. You can go ahead and enable it, and you can also set up the settings right here, and that is it. So that is how you autoplay a remote play on Steam for now, following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.